here we are at Dixon Grove School for our first of many, I hope.
Balance First workshop. So she is live streaming from Costa Rica while we facilitate the program here on the ground
In Toronto.
Yay! With all these amazing teachers.
Yes.
And we're really, really excited. We have about 40 students that are going to be joining us.
Oh my God.
So obviously,
Okay.
you know, for like reliability reasons, we won't be showing like pictures and stuff of all the kids.
Yeah, we'll get the back of their heads.
Fun,
We'll get the back of their heads.
Mindful art workshops. Mindful art workshops. Yes.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had